the wildness of nature collides with the might of steel warriors, legends are born. Million-dollar machines cut through forests with brutal precision. Welcome to the era where power and passion unite. In the process of cutting down the tree next to the house, using a pull rope has always been a common method to control the direction of the tree's fall. However, in this case, despite having tied the rope and coordinated the pull, the strength and technique of the two people involved were still insufficient to accurately direct it. The Kenworth truck is a symbol of the transportation engineering industry in America. With a Cummins ISX-15 and Packer MX-13 engine, Kenworth offers power up to 600 horsepower and 2,500 pound-feet of torque, optimizing performance and ensuring exceptional durability over time. Not only powerful, but Kenworth also easily conquers rugged roads, even in harsh weather conditions. The CBI Stump shear is like a steel beast with sharp teeth, ready to tear apart and crush even the most stubborn tree stumps. Designed to attach to excavators, this machine generates powerful cutting forces, easily breaking deep roots and turning wood into bits in no time. Each cut is a neat destruction, making the task of stump removal simpler and more efficient than ever. The APOS branch trimmer is an effective solution for removing conifer branches during the wood harvesting process. Thanks to its sturdy gripping mechanism, the trimming device firmly holds the tree trunk and pulls it through the rotating blade system, enabling quick and accurate branch removal. The automated pruning process helps save time and effort, while also increasing work efficiency compared to manual methods. The GS-R280 is not just a table saw, but also a solution to enhance productivity for woodworking shops. With a system of 19 continuously operating saw blades, the machine creates precise and sharp cuts, optimizing the production process. In particular, its consumption is only 10 to 12 kilowatt hours, which significantly reduces operating costs and provides long-term economic benefits. Thanks to its durability and fuel efficiency, the GS-R280 has become a top choice in the wood processing industry. This video takes you back to the old logging era, when humans had to face nature without the support of machinery. they had only their strength, experience, and resilient horses to pull each log out of the forest. This work was not only laborious, but also a harsh challenge, where human willpower was forged through every saw stroke and every step in the deep woods. Capson Extreme 2 is not just a machine, it is a true steel warrior. With incredible power in a compact design, it can conquer any challenges in the logging industry. Thanks to advancements in control systems and safety features, Capson Extreme 2 not only boosts productivity, but also becomes a reliable partner for lumberjacks. RSLUK 16-inch Mark II. Tree Shear is a specialized tree trimming device that combines remarkable strength and precision. With a hydraulic system operating at 200 bar, the sharp cutting blades can easily penetrate both hard and soft wood, optimizing handling time. Notably, the 360-degree rotation capability not only enhances flexibility, but also allows for precise operation even in tight spaces. Additionally, the robust design and durable materials ensure the device operates steadily in harsh environments, maintaining high performance and a long-lasting lifespan. This is an amazing way of driving. Although the car is lifted up, the driver is still able to control it skillfully. The Mini Linaran Oxen is a multifunctional forestry machine designed for small-scale timber harvesting and contributes to forest protection. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic system, allowing it to operate powerfully and smoothly, with good load-bearing capacity and ease of control even in complex terrain conditions. Operators can choose the machine from engine versions of 11, 13, or 14 horsepower, suitable for different work needs. Despite its compact and lightweight design, with a length of 170 centimeters, a width of 115 centimeters, and a weight of about 500 kilograms, the Oxen still delivers impressive performance, effectively meeting the requirements for small-scale timber harvesting. If you are looking for an upgrade solution for your sawmill, VTZOPTIFAS is a worthy option to consider. With modern sensor systems and computer vision technology, this device can analyze the size of logs and optimize cutting patterns, helping to increase production while minimizing material waste. In addition, the high-speed automatic band saw blade provides precise cuts, ensuring the quality of the finished product. Not only does it enhance efficiency, but VTZ OptiFAS can also handle a variety of wood sizes, becoming a valuable assistant for large-scale sawmills. The wood-cutting skills of this craftsman are truly amazing. Even though he is in an unfavorable position, he still makes perfect cuts. This is a skill that only those with rich experience possess. Transporting wood on a slippery snow road is always a challenging task for logging trucks. Although the wheels are fitted with chains to increase traction, it may still take a lot of time to ascend the slope. However, with skilled driving, it seems that every difficulty is not an obstacle. The Yowie M650 stump grinder is a powerful beast for grinding stumps. Equipped with a powerful engine system, it easily turns stumps into wood chips in no time. This is truly a machine that optimizes the task of land cleanup and saves time. Rugged terrain, where machinery is hard to access, using horsepower to transport wood always helps people save time and effort. Horses can move flexibly through dense forests, pulling heavy logs along narrow paths that vehicles cannot reach. This is evidence of the combination of traditional labor and flexibility in modern circumstances. Driving uphill with a heavy truck is always a big challenge for the driver. Just a moment of losing momentum, the vehicle can roll back and become uncontrollable. This dangerous situation shows that controlling speed and brakes is extremely important. A small oversight can lead to consequences beyond one's control. Crambo is a specialized wood crusher with powerful and flexible processing capabilities. Designed with dual low-speed crushing shafts, the machine easily handles both fresh wood, large branches, and wet materials. Stable power output allows the machine to operate continuously without overload. This is the optimal equipment for units that require high efficiency and exceptional durability in coarse crushing processing. This is a showdown between the machinery's horsepower and the tenacity of the tree roots gripping the soil. Who will be the winner? Let's follow along.
A natural hole that's leading into it.
Cutting down an old tree is always a challenging task for workers. But with the ability to flexibly combine tools, this worker created perfect cuts. In addition, he easily sawed the tree into even pieces. This is a skill that only experienced people have. Hopefully this incident does not put the operator in danger. He should have had protective equipment before starting the tree felling work. This is a powerful wood-cutting machine. Equipped with a sharp blade, the machine easily transforms logs into uniform firewood. This is truly a perfect choice for wood processing tasks, helping to reduce labor time and improve work efficiency. This craftsman uses the saw like a master woodcutter. With his skilled technique, he has created extremely perfect cuts. This is a skill that only those with rich experience can achieve. Equipped with a powerful engine system, the machine easily converts wooden bars into thin layers of wood. This is truly a useful tool in wood processing, deserving to become a legend in the forestry industry. This is truly a bold way to transport wood. Even though the log crushed the car, the driver calmly drove down the hill. Although this vehicle has a small appearance, it has incredible working capabilities. Equipped with a sturdy wheel system, it easily transports a large amount of wood across all harsh terrains. This vehicle has truly created a revolution in transportation within the forestry industry. This was a really dangerous situation. Perhaps this man will need to be more careful when cutting down trees next time.